planning a butterfly-themed birthday party that feels magical, you're in the right place. From dreamy decorations to whimsical DIYs, we're diving into the 10 most asked questions about butterfly birthday decor. Whether you're planning for kids, teens, or even adults, this theme never gets old. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your party flutter with charm. Let's get started and turn your celebration into something truly unforgettable. Get comfy, grab your notes. Let's make party magic. What are the best colors for a butterfly-themed birthday? Pastel tones like lavender, mint green, and soft pink are popular. They give a fairy tale-like ambiance and work well in any season. You can add gold or silver accents for elegance and sparkle. Try to match balloons, tableware, and decor in those shades. Don't mix too many bold tones, it can break the dreamy vibe. Keep it cohesive, soft, and sweet to stay on theme. What are some unique butterfly-themed table decoration ideas? Use butterfly-shaped confetti and floral centerpieces with butterfly picks. Mini terrariums with moss and butterflies are a showstopper. Scatter silk flower petals and place cards shaped like wings. Add butterfly napkin rings or fold napkins to resemble wings. Place small lanterns or jars filled with fairy lights for glow. Finish with custom butterfly place tags for each guest. Liking the vibe so far? Smash that like button if you're loving the butterfly aesthetic. Subscribe for weekly party tips, themes, and DIY magic. How do I make a butterfly photo booth at home? Use a sheer curtain backdrop with hanging paper butterflies. Create a balloon garland in matching theme colors. Add props like fairy wings, flower crowns, or butterfly masks. Place a stool or garden bench for easy group shots. Use ring lights or fairy string lights for soft glow. Add a "Flutter Here" sign to guide guests. Where can I find budget-friendly butterfly decor? Start by using what you already have. Recycle pastel party supplies. Cut butterfly shapes from colorful paper or old greeting cards. Design your own banners and signs using free online templates. Nature can help too. Gather leaves or twigs to create butterfly wings. Ask friends or family if they have leftover party items to share. And don't underestimate the charm of homemade decorations. If you're enjoying this, give it a like and hit subscribe for more creative ideas. What activities match a butterfly birthday theme? Try butterfly scavenger hunts with small prizes. Set up a design-your-own-wings craft station. Face painting with butterfly and fairy designs is a hit. Pin the wings is a fun twist on classic party games. Butterfly cookie decorating is fun and tasty. You can even host a real butterfly release outdoors. What kind of birthday cake fits this theme? A pastel ombre cake with fondant butterflies is perfect. Add edible glitter and sugar flowers for extra detail. Butterfly-shaped cake toppers or cookies are a nice touch. Go for cupcakes with winged toppers if you want variety. You can also do a tiered garden cake with vines and blooms. Make it feel enchanted, inside and out. Hit that like button if these ideas are lighting you. What lighting works best for a butterfly party? Use warm fairy lights to create a soft, dreamy glow. Butterfly LED string lights add a playful element. Place lanterns with cut-out butterflies on tables. Uplighting with pastel filters adds mood to walls or trees. Light the cake and gift table with mini spotlights. Don't forget tea lights in jars for evening vibes. How can I decorate the entryway to match the theme? Line the path with balloon butterflies or paper cutouts. Use tulle and ribbons on the door for a soft look. Hang a sign that says, "Welcome to the Butterfly Garden." Drape vines or florals around the entrance frame. Scatter flower petals or glitter trail on the floor. Let your theme start from the very first step. How's your vision coming together? If you're feeling inspired, give this video a thumbs up. What are the best party favors for this theme? Mini jars of candy with butterfly stickers are simple and cute. Hand out butterfly wing sets or mini coloring books. Butterfly hair clips or pins are great for girls' parties. DIY seed packets for planting a garden are thoughtful. Tiny bubble bottles with custom labels always excite kids. Don't forget to personalize with guest names or thank yous. Any final tips to make the event unforgettable? Have a magic moment like a grand cake reveal or butterfly dance. Create a playlist that fits the dreamy fairyland vibe. Hire a face painter or balloon artist for added flair. Capture moments. Set a timer camera near the booth. Keep extras on hand. Batteries, tape, backup decor. Most importantly, enjoy it. It's your special day too. Comment below. I'd love to hear your plans. And if you found this video helpful, share it with a friend. Butterfly birthday parties are more than just decor. They're experiences. They inspire imagination, wonder, and unforgettable memories. With the right colors, props, and activities, you can make magic. If you love this video, give it a like to support the channel. Comment your favorite butterfly idea. We might feature it next time. Subscribe for more creative themes, tips, and party magic. And hey, share this video with anyone who loves celebrations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.